Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you guys how I blow out or blow dry my natural hair. My hair is already freshly washed and conditioned. For a deep conditioner I use Diva Curl's Deep Sea Repair Mask, and I really enjoyed it. I will be getting some more since I used the whole container in one sitting, and right now I am just adding some leave-in conditioner. I'm using conditioner from One Little Parrot. So after adding in my conditioner, I'm just going to go ahead and twist up that section and move on to the remaining sections, and I am just adding in the leave-in conditioner. So once I'm done with all the sections, I'm going to go ahead and use the t-shirt that I had on my head to just remove any excess product from my hair. I don't want too much product to weigh down my hair when I'm blow drying. Then I'm using this Redken One United spray as my leave-in conditioner. I'm just gonna detangle my hair and then spray about 3 spritz on each section and go ahead and work that through that section. So now I'm going in with my blow dryer with like the concentrated nozzle, and it is on a low heat setting. I'm just gonna go ahead and stretch my hair out, as you guys can see, and just run the blow dryer up and down those strands of hair. Then I'm gonna take my brush and kind of just stretch out that section even more. I like using this method so I'm not directly putting heat like all through my hair strands, brushing it through as if like I were using a comb attachment on the blow dryer. This way I'm just brushing my hair, but I like to stretch it out as much as possible. I think it's the tension method that I use first, stretching out my hair, and then once it's a little dry, brushing it through just to make sure it gets as straight and blown out as possible. And then when I'm done with that section, I'm just going to go ahead and twist it up and move it out the way to continue with the rest. And I'm going to be showing you guys this process a few more times of how I do it, but again, first I just stretch my hair out and pull it pretty tightly and just run the blow dryer up and down my hair, and then once that section is pretty straight and detangled, I go in with my brush and just kind of stretch it and straighten it out a little more. You definitely want to take your time blow drying your hair, whichever method you decide to use, whichever works best for you, but you definitely want to take your time going through each section, you know, just ensuring that you minimize the possibility of getting heat damage, and always use a heat protectant when you are doing this. So again, you guys see I'm just stretching out my hair, and I did brush it out once this section got a little more dry, just to really make sure it was nice and detangled so nothing was getting like snagged or anything while I'm brushing through my hair and blow drying it. So now that all the sections are complete, I'm just going to go ahead and undo those twists that I had in just to keep the sections separated. I want to say it took me about an hour to blow dry my full head, maybe a little more, because I do really like to take my time just to make sure it is as straight as possible. And as you guys can see, I am shook. So now I'm just gonna get a look at what my hair looks like. I did do a trim recently, not the best, but I care more so how my hair looks cut when it's curly rather than it being even when it's straight, because I don't wear my hair straight. Then I am going to go in with this comb attachment just to get my roots and stuff, just to make sure they're super straight, and then go in with the cool setting and blow through my hair once more. So this is what my hair is looking like, fully blow dried and everything. It's definitely a lot bigger from the last time, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.